2022 Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive. With less than 43,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It was cleverly designed with details that delight any driver, such as side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, auto climate control. Stop by the showroom for a test drive.